Yeah, yeah. Baby, I just don't get it.
Okay, we're checking in for Maroon. So exciting to finally have like a black chef on the Las Vegas Strip. So super fucking excited. My girl Perletta got a room. They were offering rooms, but my kids have games in the morning. So we are going to head to her room so we can all get ready together and come down and celebrate.
So hard in my blunt is. I see guys pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said take your time, what's the rush?
But the braid's going to help me. It is. All right. We're ready to celebrate. Okay, we're headed to check-in so we can get responsibly intoxicated. Look at Ida's dress. I'll show you around when we get there.
And I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog.
Okay, they have gambling chips. Hello.
Hello. You on your own or?
My plus one will be here later.
Okay, well,
He comes in, yeah.
Right, just send them over there.
Okay,
just
perfect.
a little, thanks for coming in. We'll try your luck on the blackjack table or the roulette. And
Yes, let's do it.
So I feel like
Hello. Thank you.
welcome, perfect timing.
Just, you don't, you know, you got it in your email. Amanda. Not mad at that.
Hey, that's beautiful. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
Gregory Chef.
Yep.
Nice
Check
to
me
meet
out
you.
on the IG.
Any mixer?
Okay.
Inside they have more options and cocktails. Here,
Okay, you're just getting me warmed up.
Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me.
And a soursop margarita. Everything has soursop and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, this is soursop key lime pie. I'm not even usually a key lime person, but so fucking good.
I got it right here, baby. Oh, what you want, make me your girl. Make me your girl, baby. Baby, share my world. I got what you need, 'cause I'm sharing my world. What you want, walk with me, walk with me. Think what you need, I got it right here, baby. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, like to be your homie. Your girl, your girl. Something that you need, baby, come and share my world. Share my world. Something that you want, take a walk with me. Let me take a walk with me. I got it right here, baby.
Follow me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know I'm still on the lowest sort of.
We got jerk chicken and steak. So let's see what it's hitting for.
Crazy, you can keep it like nobody knows it. Get the fuck out my space. The basement's on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes don't change.
It's like smoky, but a little spicy. No.